Excel, as you probably know, is the world's most widely used spreadsheet program and is part of the Microsoft Office. Excel is by far the most popular and has become the world standard. Knowledge of Excel is important for all students as well as working professionals. The main use of Excel is of course performing numerical calculations, but Excel is also very useful for non-numeric applications like creating charts, organizing lists, creating graphics and diagrams, and various other functions that we will learn in this course. Let's understand the basic layout of Excel. Each Excel file is known as a workbook. It comprises of one or more worksheets, and each worksheet is made up of individual cells. Newcomers to Excel are often intimidated by all the different elements that appear within Excel's window. After you become familiar with the various parts, it all starts to make sense. Let's understand briefly what these various elements are. You will become familiar with each of these options as we go further. Excel uses a ribbon system. The words along the top are known as tabs, and this giant toolbar here is called the ribbon bar. Take your cell pointer to the Insert tab and click the left mouse button. Now the ribbon bar displays the commands for the Insert tab. Let's click on the Home tab again. Each command has a name which is displayed next to or below the icon. For example, for this command here, the name of the command is displayed below the icon, while for this command, the name is written to the right of the icon. The commands are arranged in groups and the group names appear at the bottom of the ribbon. Two groups are separated by a vertical line. We can hide the ribbon bar by clicking on this button here, and when we click on this button again, the ribbon bar reappears. Excel worksheet is divided into a number of rows and columns. Each column is represented by column letters like A, B, C, and so on, while the rows are represented by row numbers 1, 2, 3, and so on. The intersection of a row and a column is a single cell. At any given time, one cell is the active cell. You can identify which cell is active by its darker border. Its address, that is its column letter and row number, appear in the name box situated here. Like in this case, the cell address is F7. When you enter data or formulas into a cell, it appears in this line which is called as the formula bar. In the status bar located in the right bottom corner of the worksheet, we have a zoom controller. Use this stroller to zoom your worksheet in and out. Another way to zoom in and out of a worksheet is to hold down the control key and use the mouse wheel. Press and hold the control key and scroll up. This will zoom the worksheet. Scroll the mouse wheel down. This will zoom out the worksheet. Remember, you can zoom in and zoom out only when you are holding the control key down. By default, each new workbook that you create contains 3 sheets. Instead of placing everything on a single worksheet, you can use additional worksheets in a workbook. Click the Insert Worksheet control, which is located to the right of the Last Sheet tab. This will insert the new sheet after the last sheet in the workbook. Press Shift and F11. This will insert a new sheet before the active sheet. Title bar, which is located at the top of the worksheet, displays the name of the program and the name of the current workbook. To the left of the title bar, we have the Quick Access toolbar. This concludes our tutorial on Introduction to Microsoft Excel 2010.